That I was given a chance again to do a commercial for Globe for their new promo. This time, medyo iba naman kasi I have a leading man, Globe's new endorser, the handsome Gerald Anderson. It was sort of a reunion kasi after our movie, di na lang uli kami nagka-work. Studio para po sa commercial shoot ng Globe. Ayan, at kasama po natin si Gerald Anderson dito sa TV commercial na ito. So, yun.
Super exciting kasi for the first time, meron kaming unlimited to all networks, plus may internet pa. So the shoot today is very interesting because it's the first time that Sarah will be offering and announcing to the Filipino people that Globe now is the first to have this very big offer. The concept of the shoot is Sarah with the, di ba kasi kanya-kanya, sila-sila, tayo-tayo. So yung concept ng shoot is putting everyone together, breaking the barriers, and showing people na pwede naman palang maging friends maski nasa ibang network na.
Smoke yung mata ni Sarah na medyo madilim na talagang makapal na smoky talaga. And pati ang kulay niya para siyang tan. So ang ginawa naman ngayon, nilighten ko yung skin niya and then ano ngayon, kumbaga parang architectural. Puro may mga linya ka makikita. And then instead of using gray, black or yung mga dark colors, I use the new brown. For example, new brown, ito yung ano yung tinatawag ko na brickstone red. Yung mga ganung kulay. Kasi it's the color now, yung mga, that's the new brown. Instead of using brown, itong new brick red. Parang brickstone red ang tawag ko doon. And ayun, successful naman.
Siyempre, ano yan talaga ang pioneer, yan ang unang-unang pero yan talaga yung role model ng mga makeup artists or mga fashion designers. Kumbaga, sakop na niya lahat So, it's really an honor na makatrabaho siya at talaga naman nabibigyan ako ni TF ng kakaibang look Siya lang yun, pagka nakita mo yung ayos niya.